Well, this next song came to me at a time where I was very silent and I just wanted some kind of answer to a prayer, some hope. And I think all of us are kind of needing a little bit of that right now. There's a lot going on. And so I think if you just stay the course, if you stay true to what's in your heart and what you believe in, and to yourself, hold still and stay true, and there will be answers. So this next song that came to me at this time, I did as a duet with this group, A Great Big World. They were so sweet and so lovely, and they brought this beautiful song into my life that I get to share with everyone globally. So if you're searching for an answer to something, if you need a little hope, just always remember, it is inside of yourself and in those around you that you feel have your back, are in support of you, because it is so important to surround yourself with those people who you really feel seen by, understood, heard by. Those are the people that mean everything in this life. And when things go wrong or things go bad, the ones that aren't there for you will very quickly reveal themselves. So just remember that. Hold on to hope. Hold on to each other. The song is called Say Something.
Say something, I'm giving up on you. I'll be the one if you want me to. Anywhere I would have followed you. Say something, I'm giving up on you. And I'm feeling so small.
It was over my head. I knew
Nothing at all. And will stumble and fall. I'm still learning to love, just starting to crawl. Say something, I'm giving up on you. I'm sorry that I couldn't get to you. Anywhere I would have followed you. Say something, I'm giving up on you. And I'll swallow my pride. You're the one that I love, but I'm saying goodbye. Oh, say something, I'm giving up on you. I'm sorry that I couldn't get to you. And anywhere I would have followed you. Oh, say something, I'm giving up on you.
say something.